Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Allow your body to settle into this space, into this moment, into this very breath. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the quiet hum of life within you. You are here, now, fully present. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do, no past to carry, no future to chase. This moment, this single, infinite moment, is all there is. And as you breathe, you might notice a sense of calm settling over you, like a soft blanket of stillness. It's already here, waiting for you to recognize it. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. Let your awareness drop from your thoughts into your body. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and fresh, and leaving your mouth, warm and soft. Feel the space between your breaths, the quiet pause. Notice the quality of that feeling, stillness, the clarity, the deep abiding peace. It's not something you have to create. It's something you already have access to, right here, right now. Feel the in deeply, and as you breathe out, let that feeling of presence anchor itself in your body. Feel the truth of that statement settling into your cells. Let it spread through your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your legs. I am fully present in this moment. Feel the truth of that statement settling into your cells. Let it spread through your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your legs. I am fully present in this moment. And as you say this, you might notice a shift, a lightness, a spaciousness, a sense of being exactly where you need to be. This is the gift of now. It's always available, always waiting for you to return. Breathe in and out. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart space. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, the pulse of life within you. As you breathe into this space, imagine a soft, warm light glowing there, a light of pure awareness. This light is your anchor to the present moment. It's always here, steady and unchanging, even when your mind wanders. And as you rest in this light, you can feel it expanding, filling your entire body. And as you breathe, you might notice your thoughts becoming quieter, softer, like ripples settling on a still lake. There's no need to push them away. Just let them be. Let them dissolve naturally into the background. Breathe in and out. Now, bring your awareness to your breath once more. Feel the air moving in and out, a constant rhythm of renewal. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peace, clarity, presence. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension, distraction, the past. With each exhale, imagine drawing in peace, clarity, presence. Now, bring your awareness back to your heart space, to that warm, glowing light of presence. Imagine that light growing brighter with each breath, radiating outward from your chest, filling your entire body with a sense of peace and stillness. Feel the truth of that. No matter where you go, no matter what happens, this moment is always here for you. Some bears a reef row, who stores bayarv. Now, this moment is my home. And as you breathe, let that feeling of home settle deep within you. It's not something you need to find. It's something you already are. I want you to imagine a beautiful, peaceful scene in nature. Perhaps it's a quiet forest with sunlight filtering through the leaves. and the sound of birdsong in the distance. Or maybe it's a calm ocean with gentle waves lapping at the shore and a soft breeze on your face. See yourself standing in this scene, fully present, fully aware. Feel the ground beneath your feet, solid and supportive. Feel the air around you, fresh and alive. Hear the sounds of nature, each one a reminder of. Repeat silently. I carry this presence with me wherever I go. Let that affirmation become a part of you. It's not just a thought, it's a living truth. Now, in the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.